Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got 2021 Hyundai Elantra customer complaint check engine light. As of right now, we don't have a check engine light there, but let's. I scanned it for codes and I found Evap system large leak pending. Right. So what we can try to do before doing anything else is we can go to our Evap system or software management, and let's try to force to run the evap system at least. If you can do that, so I'm in that option right now, evap leakage test. At least on this one, it will check all the components, your purge valve, your canister close valve, right? um, and do its own test. So let's see if it goes through. If not, we can start maybe visual check, especially the gas cap, because we'll get a large leak here, and then we can actuate all the two solenoids. So let's press OK here. You can see here the pulse vacuum here. And let's see if that holds. Right now I don't hear any clicking at the back for the canister close valve. I drop. Okay, so it says here interruption due to related error. Okay. So now our next test will be um, we're gonna check our gas cap first, and then let's actuate those two solenoids. Okay, here's our gas cap here. Why is that moving? It was not closed properly? I think so. Because when I do like that, it moves. So let me lock this. Does it move? See, I think he didn't close this correctly. Oh my god. Because that should not move. And earlier when I just moved this door, this one went sideways. Like that. It moved forward, the whole cap. Okay, so let's lock that. Let's do the test again. I guess this is a simple diagnosis. Okay, let's try this again. So let's click evap leak test, run. Let's press OK. It starts to pull vacuum now. Okay, so it says here no leak detected. Earlier, it stopped the function because he sees that something is not right, and we saw that the fuel tank pressure drop, right? In this case, it holds from minus point 20 to minus point 17. So I think that's the range for the vacuum. So that's a quick video, guys. Make sure if you have check engine lights, especially it just came on with no drivability issues, um, and especially you just recently gas up, make sure to check your gas cap if you close that correctly. In this case, in this vehicle, that was not closed correctly. So Um, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's my process, especially in the Evap test. That's how I or Evap diagnosis. That's my um, process on how to diagnose this type of issues. Scan. If you have option on your scan tool to do an Evap test, you can do that. At least you can confirm if it's really an issue. Because sometimes there's a check engine light and the customer just close it, and by the time you do run the test and it's fixed. So yeah, and let me know what you guys think. And thanks again for watching. See you next time.